Auto Metro Train implementation project. Main PCB. LCD display. 16x2 alphanumeric display. Main PCB. 16x2 alphanumeric display. 16-pin header. ULN 2803 NPN Darlington pair IC. Speed control regulator for water on track purpose. ST12D to decode RF data received by this RF receiver. Channel control reset. Voltage regulator 8089S52 40 pin 32 IO port 8 KB flash memory. 16x2 alphanumeric display we have used, so we have attached 16-pin socket called bug strip. It is just like a IC socket. Here we have LM317 adjustable voltage regulator, voltage adjust port. You can call it a preset. Value of this preset is 1 kilo ohm. Combination of voltage potential on pin number 1 will come at output at pin number 2, while pin number 3 is for supply input. So you can call adjust, out, in. Pin terminal names are 1, 2, 3. One is adjust, second is out, and third is input. Here we have attached a capacitor, filter, a ripple. This is reset switch, 11.0592 MHz crystal. Here we have two switches. One of them is for emergency, while other is for start the train. Here are two mercury switches to detect accident. Here is a temperature sensor fabricated under aluminum sheet. The name of temperature sensor is LM35, which is 3-terminal temperature sensor and pre-calibrated by National Semiconductors. Output of this sensor will go to this op-amp IC, which will compare preset voltage and sensor voltage, and then output will be available at output terminal of op-amp pin number 1. This output of op-amp will send to this 80 mega IC. This 8 mega IC. Number of this IC is 80 mega 8A. Which is 28-pin AVR chip, which will control or detect sensors. One of them is mercury switch. One of them is mercury switch, which will detect accident. Second is ultrasonic rangefinder, which find range in front of engine, while other is temperature sensor circuitry, which will find temperature, which is useful to detect fire on the train. LEDs are indicator for different condition. Yellow is for power indicator, green for normal condition, while red for accident or fire or obstacle detection condition. Then this data is fed to a main microcontroller via this cable harness to this microcontroller, which will control the engine. Here we have reed relay, you can call a reed switch, which actuates in a magnetic field. So we will have to use a magnet to operate this switch. All the switches in these projects are active low condition, means while they operate, both terminal of this switch will be 0. Here is a lost wagon circuitry. It is a simple, just like a switch, a wire loop returns here. If one of the circuit opens, the pin terminal are not connected, and then the system will detect that train has lost one of its wagon and the train will be stopped. It will get power supply from a power supply unit, which is fitted on other wagon like here.